Baking soda is natural, and it actually costs less in terms of buying it or in terms of the cost. And when you're using the baking soda, you have a lot of benefits on your chickens. But when you use it incorrectly, it can lead to serious problems. So that's why I designed this video for you today, guys. Watch it till the end. If you're new to this YouTube channel, I am Abraham Tumramye, and a passionate poultry farmer. Because I actually started from rags, and slowly by slowly I was able to get my farm to where it is now, and that's why I also opened this YouTube channel so that I can inspire most of you to also start a poultry farming with what all I know and what all I have. Then we are going to benefits of the feeding, or giving the baking soda to your chickens. Number one, baking soda, it is alkaline, so it makes, or it alters and maintains the alkalinity of the intestines of the birds naturally. You see, it also enhances bacteria. The bacteria doesn't really, there's no bacterial flourishing in the gut of the chickens when it is too much alkaline, and when it can also be used as a cleaning agent in the chicken coop, because when you use, it eliminates smell. There's no smell in the chicken house when you use it when you're cleaning, and most of the bacteria actually also die because of too much alkalinity of the baking soda. And again, you have to make sure that when you see or you notice your birds have diarrhea, that's the best time to start using baking soda, because they treat diarrhea in the chickens. And when you find that your chickens are like breathing with difficulty, like you enter in your chicken house, you find most of the chickens are breathing like a you understand that, with the sound. And when they try to pass the air, you find that as if the trachea has been, there's like something that is choking them, in the esophagus or in the trachea. So that is when when you also use the baking soda, it also has the ability to eliminate that and cleans the air tract, and then eventually your chickens will have better respiration, or respiratory system will work more better. And it also improves the digestion, as I told you, because if there is no bacteria in the gut of the chickens that are which are disturbing the chickens, why not that the digestion will take place well? But it improves the digestion because the bacteria and the worms that has been in the intestines of the chickens will be absorbed and will die out. When they die out, then it means that the regions will also be cleaned out, and then there will be more digestion in the villi of the small intestines. Again, you have to know that it also increases egg production, you see. So when you have the problem with, a little egg count in your chickens, it's time and it's best time to start using baking soda, because you understand that the moment you supplement the baking soda to your chickens are going to lay like nothing. They are going to start laying as if they are crazy. So this is really just a magical to start when you start using the baking soda, or what we use as soda. I know it had the name of the baking soda, but I know that you know what I'm meaning. This one is which they used, for cooking, for baking the breads and etc. So again, you have to understand that when you use, as I told you in the beginning of the video, well, it has all these more benefits when you're using this baking soda. But when you use it incorrectly, or when you use like too much of the baking soda, you understand that your chickens are going to become dehydrated. They are going to lose water because the baking soda have that ability of absorbing more water in the chickens of the body and getting the water, more of the water out. Then if you just use too much, your chickens are going to suffer from dehydration. So it means that at the moment you're using the baking soda, it's a good idea that you give water to the chickens ad libitum, without restricting them from maybe having this amount of water or this amount of water. You have to feed them ad libitum so that your chickens doesn't suffer these consequences of dehydration. Again, when you're using it incorrectly, when you're using too much of the baking soda, you're going to have electrolyte imbalance. So electrolytes of the inside the bodies of the chickens are going to be imbalanced due to the too much of the baking soda. Understand that the baking soda is made up of sodium bicarbonate. So it means that when you have too much of the sodium bicarbonate, it is going to restrict other minerals and nutrients from being absorbed. Hence, some of the electrolytes will be imbalanced. Then, it may also interfere with absorption of some minerals, as I'm telling you. So, these minerals will not be digested well and will not enter in the bodies of your chickens. So, it is a good idea that when you're using the baking soda, use little, as I'm going to tell you below. So now let me give you the dosage. How much should you give to your chickens when you're giving the baking soda? When you're supplementing baking soda to your chickens, it's a good idea that you use one teaspoonful of a baking soda in a gallon of water. Here in Uganda, I know that we doesn't use gallons, and if you're watching me from Uganda or from Kenya, it's good that you use 1 teaspoonful of baking soda in 5 liters of drinking water. This is when you will enjoy the benefits of using the baking soda. But the moment now you exceed on this measurement and you use more than 1 teaspoon in 5 liters of drinking water, it means that you're going to suffer consequences, as I have told you above, like imbalancing in the electrolytes, minerals and vitamins. Some of the minerals and vitamins are not going to be working, are not going to be active in the diet of the chickens. Again, you are going to also suffer. The chickens are going to also suffer from dehydration. Meaning that if you use if you use this baking soda usefully, or 1 teaspoonful in 5 liters, it means that you're going to get high count egg. You see, but if you use them incorrectly, you're not going to get any egg, because at the moment your chickens have been dehydrated, there's no egg that is going to be passed out, because you have to understand that 60% of the eggs is made up of water. So if only 40% of an egg is a dry matter, and 60% of an egg is made up of water, and you're using it incorrectly, and the baking soda is too much baking soda is leading to dehydration, it means that now your chickens are going to stop laying. So it's a good idea that you keep the measurement well. You make sure that you use the teaspoonful in 5 liters so that you enjoy the benefits of supplementing the baking soda to your chickens. If you're still watching me up to now, thank you so much for watching, and I believe in you that you accomplish anything you want to accomplish. If you want to start up a poultry farm, I know that you can have the huge poultry farm. You can rank #1 poultry farmer in today's generation. And see you soon in the next episode. Sign out.